million of you spoke out on Republic in the last 67 days. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I'm grateful to each one of you. Thank you for being with us, with me in this relentless investigation. CBI for SSR, which you and I fought so hard for, is a reality tonight. And I believe, and you believe, the country believes, that out of any sense of accountability, if not shame, the Mumbai Police Commissioner must step down. What shocks me tonight is the brazenness with which the Maharashtra government is speaking about a parallel investigation. We will question that too. So let's debate. Yes. Supreme Court says the CBI is directed to investigate. Viewers, the Supreme Court has said the CBI is directed to investigate. I want to add here, Parambir Singh should resign because the Supreme Court has said the Mumbai police has to cooperate with the Central Bureau of Investigation now.
The moment India had been waiting for, as the Supreme Court handed the investigation to the CBI this morning at 11:05.
The Supreme Court has today said, when truth meets sunshine, even the departed will sleep well. Raising questions on the inquiry by the Mumbai police, they say the inquest investigation by the Mumbai police was stretching the purview of inquest. Secondly, they've said no investigation has been carried on by the Mumbai police. Thirdly, they said there has been no FIR registered by the Mumbai police.
The verdict has ended weeks and months of uncertainty and non-stop attacks on Sushant's family, which has thanked Team Republic for leading the relentless battle against a state that refused to hand it over to the CBI and refuses to do it even now.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो केस है उसको मुंबई पुलिस तहकीकात इसकी कर रही है और कोई भी हालत में सीबीआई को ये केस देने का कोई प्रश्न नहीं उपस्थित है। सुशांत सिंह के केस के बारे में जो निर्णय आया है उसका हम स्वागत करते हैं।
A state that, despite being exposed, continues to remain brazen.
और ये सच उनके फैमिली में क्या चल रहा था वो भी एक जांच का, वो बिहार में खास कितने बार सुशांत अपने पिता को मिलने गया था पटना में। आप देखिए उतना आप प्यार, जो आपको शौक, हाँ सदमा, ये सब शब्द मैंने देखे हैं उनके। मुझे संवेदना है पिता के बारे में, लेकिन बहुत सी बातें ऐसी है जो सच।
मैंने क्या कहा आपने सुना नहीं। मैंने कहा कि सभी ने शांत बैठना चाहिए जब तक मुंबई पुलिस का जांच पूरी नहीं। सभी राजनीतिक दल, हमारे विरोधी, परिवार के लोग, अब मुझे लगता है कि समय आ रहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस की जांच पूरी हो जाए।
केंद्र के दबाव में राज्य सरकार हार गई।
देखिए अब सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने निर्णय दिया है, तब राजनीतिक बात करना उचित नहीं है।
Tonight, there are 13 reasons why the Police Commissioner of Mumbai, who wants a parallel investigation, must step down.
Please switch off the cameras. 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 We will talk about it.
Further course of action हम decide करेंगे। अभी तक कॉपी हमको प्राप्त नहीं है। We are awaiting the order. We have also spoken to our advocates in the Supreme Court to send us the copy at the case. Thank you very much.
Their tone has changed, and the jolted Sonia Sena has held at least 4 emergency meetings in the last 8 hours. Republic TV has been relentlessly investigating the case for 65 days. We are grateful to the over 6 million people who have responded, because your voice has ensured CBI investigates Sushant Singh Rajput's murder.
I thank Republic TV who fought along with everyone and ensured that Sushant gets justice.
I would like to thank Arnab and entire team of Republic Media Network.
I am really thankful to Supreme Court of India and the Republic for making so many efforts and letting us believe.
I thank Republic TV who fought along with everyone and ensured that Sushant gets justice.
Let's debate.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.